Cut my teeth on wedding rings.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Miss Dolly Pink. Today I'm going to film a video on how to change Instagram effects on your pictures. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the App Store to download Instagram, because I don't have Instagram on my phone, because sometimes it take up space depending on how many things you have on your phone. So I'm going to download Instagram. While this download, I'm gonna go to the screen and just show you guys okay, first I'm just gonna let this download. Okay, so now we're gonna open up Instagram, and I'm going to go to my Miss Dolly Pink Instagram. Also, I have an Elvis Presley Instagram, but I'm just not logged in. And I am active on all my Instagrams, and I will add you back. So now I'm just gonna put in my password. So give me a minute. Okay, so now I'll be showing you guys how to change Instagram effects. So basically you have to go to my photos, and I'm going to actually take a picture of myself so you can. Now it's kind of dim, but okay, so wait, I'm finna retake that, because I'm about to retake that so y'all can. Okay, that's better. Alright, so now I'm about to pick an effect to put on my picture. Like, I'm gonna tell you like this. So if you have, depending on what type of Instagram page that you create, if you create a page for it to look fancy, pretty, basic, then those are the kind of filters that you will want on your Instagram. So for my Miss Dolly Pink Instagram, I'm gonna probably choose another filter that I have not chosen, and I want to see what the Vesper looks like. So this is a pretty filter, but I wanted to show my lipstick as well that I have on my lip. So I'm gonna scroll down, and let's see, what about the Sutro? Let's try the Sutro. So that's the Sutro. It looks kind of good, but at the same time it's kind of dark. So I like the Claritin effect, because it brings out the actual color I have on. It brings out the purple, and it brings out the leaves. It brings out my lips, my face, my hair. It brings it all out. So I'm gonna click next, write a caption, and I'm just gonna say trying out my filter with my picture. And I'm just gonna put a blue, no, I'm gonna put a purple on there, purple heart, and press OK. And I'm just gonna press share. Then I'm gonna heart my own picture. And okay, this is as Leah. And if you guys know, if you guys watch her channel, please go follow her. Go subscribe her channel and hit her notification bells to check her out. Also, make sure you hit my notification bells and subscribe my channel as well. Also, like this video, comment if you need to. And thanks for watching. That's all the effects that I have to show you for Instagram. Subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.